In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier with Instamojo and Google Sheets. First, open your browser and head over to the Zapier website. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button at the top and click it. From the options that appear, choose Zap. This opens the editor where you'll build your automation from a trigger and an action. You'll start with the trigger, which is what kicks everything off. Click on the trigger section. You'll see a search bar where you can look up the app you want to use, type Typeform so you can see how the app search works in Zapier. You'll notice that the list filters instantly. For this walkthrough though, click on Instamojo to set it as your trigger app. This tells Zapier that events coming from Instamojo will start the workflow. Next, choose an event. The event defines the specific moment you care about in Instamojo, such as when a new transaction happens. Pick the event that matches your use case. After that, connect your account. Zapier will prompt you to sign in and authorize secure access. Make sure you're using the right Instamojo account and that you have permission to connect it. If your organization uses extra security, keep your authentication method handy. With the trigger in place, move on to the action, which is what Zapier should do automatically after the trigger fires. Click on Action. In the search bar, type Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets when it appears. Now choose an event for Google Sheets. This could be something like adding a row to a spreadsheet or creating a new worksheet depending on how you want data to land. Select the event that fits your process. Finally, connect your Google account. Zapier will guide you through a secure sign-in and ask for permission to access your spreadsheets. Choose the account that actually contains the sheet you plan to use so you don't have to switch later. If you work across multiple drives, it's helpful to confirm where the spreadsheet lives in advance. At this point, you've created the backbone of your Zap, a trigger in Instamojo that leads to an action in Google Sheets. You can now refine the details inside each step, such as which spreadsheet to target and how fields should be organized. Keep an eye on clear naming and consistent folder locations so your automation stays easy to maintain. And that's it. Your Zap structure is ready to streamline your